Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Friday, June the 14th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 8721. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 17 printed digits. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, let me start with the double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Then let me see. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. We have here the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. That box should be no. Alright. Then, well, we have here 3 ones. I cannot place the fourth one here. Otherwise, we will have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Here we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. And 4 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.